sight to touch and feel the earth. Smell the trees, put my hands into the dirt. Look for fossils in the rocks and listen to the birds. Feel the wind as it cuts right through my shirt. Remind myself that I'm alive and what all that is worth. Grateful, oh, that you can be sure. Lucky that I get the chance to enjoy nature. Oh, go out into it all. Everything feels alright when I feel very small. Go out into it all. Everything feels alright when I'm out with my dog. How do you find meaning in some words? Literal or figurative, I don't think either's worse. I'm drawn to the rhythm of a verse. Best of songs seem to be a benevolent curse. I'll hum along and I'd whistle if I could. Figure out the lyrics that I've probably misheard and sing along if my confidence is good. Make up lines on the trail for creatures in the woods. Oh, go out into it all. Everything feels alright when I feel very small. Go out into it all. Everything feels alright when I'm out with my dog. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where I'm going and where I've been. Sing to mountains like they're listening. Where I'm going and where I've been. Talk to dogs 'cause, well, they're my friends. How do you find meaning in the hurt? I like to look for signs of hope in secrets of the earth. Cross a stream, scramble up on a boulder. Look for patterns in the clouds and listen to the birds. Feel the sun as it gives my skin a burn. Remind myself that I'm fragile and what all that is worth. Grateful, oh, that you can be sure. Lucky that I get the chance to enjoy nature. Whoa, go out into it all. Everything feels alright when I feel very small. Go out into it all. Everything feels alright when I'm out with my